Welcome back to my channel. I'm playing some Cabin Crew and Benji.
This is your captain for the
wondering
flight
why,
deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly.
It's because
Sit back,
I don't know
relax,
why
and
Benji
enjoy
didn't
the
call
flight.
me for a long time that we didn't make that video. Yeah, explain it, Ben. Why we didn't cough so much. We might end the video after this game because yeah, I'm hitting puberty, which is gay. You'll see me like get older every year. You'll see me. Please like and subscribe, and what? Or else what?
Nothing happened. Not anymore.
Oh, not anymore, man. It's because we learned our lessons.
Wait, but you didn't.
What?
Wait, did your voice sound like that or what?
No, it didn't sound like that. Wait. But what does the guy want? Okay. We got it, guys. We have them. Ow, you what? Okay.
Your voice tells me that I'm eating way too much candy.
Hey, we all love candy though.
But do I actually eat too much candy?
Yes.
Wait, would you buy Mike and I one day?
Mike and I. Yeah. I will. I'll try.
But when?
When in 7th grade you? I don't know. I should have straight A's.
Oh wait, no.
Alright, what?
Yeah, that's correct. We won't be together when we're at
Recess.